Hey, where you going, man? Where you going? You going to Ducky time? I want to come to Ducky time. It's Ducky time. It's Ducky time. It's Ducky time. Woohoo!
Welcome to another episode of Ducky Time. Today we're going to be talking all about the beautiful wildflowers of Illinois with my friend Lilium, but I was supposed to meet her out here, but I'm not sure where she is. There's a bunch of flowers over there, so come on guys, let's go look for her.
Ducky! Ducky, where'd you go? I was supposed to meet her out here, and where the heck? Where'd you go? Ducky!
Lilium, I found you!
Hi!
Amongst the flowers.
Well, obviously.
Oh, sure. Because these are your people,
They
aren't
are,
they?
and there's something.
So I hear that Lilium is a type of flower. Is that true?
It is.
Yeah, tell me more.
So, Lilium is lily, the lily, and there are like a whole bunch of different kinds of lilies. You just like pick your preference.
Cool. And that's the national flower of Kazakhstan, right?
Indeed.
That's super neat, guys.
The more you know.
The more you know.
So, now we talk about that. What are these? They're so cool! They're like spiky.
They are. So this is a prairie flower called bergamot. So this flower is, you can tell because of its spiky looking leaves or petals on the flower. And these guys, because they're a prairie plant, they'll get to be this tall or maybe even as tall as you.
They're gonna be like Lilium height?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa.
They're so spiky and cool.
Yeah, spiky.
So, Ducky, we talked about the purple ones. What are these little white ones?
All right, so these are two different types of flowers. So this one here,
They look the same.
I know, but they're different. So this one right here is wild carrot. So you can tell because it has the leaves like that. And just like I showed Mint a couple weeks ago, there'll be a carrot down there.
You can eat these.
Yes, but later, not right now.
Oh.
But if you look right here, they're all white. There's no other colors in it. So that's how you can tell.
They're so
Carrot.
tiny.
I know. They're
They're so cute.
So this other one over here.
This one.
So this other one, which looks very similar to that one, but they're different. And you can tell because the leaves are a lot finer. And the middle part of the flower is a lot bigger. So this is a plant called yarrow. So this one, this is what they used to like help make stuff go numb. And if you chew on it, your mouth will go numb. Don't chew on it. It is. So this massive plant right here, taller than Lilium, this is a milkweed plant. You know what insect loves the milkweed?
Butterflies.
Monarch butterflies.
Oh, yes.
So sometimes you can look underneath the leaves and you can find the monarch you can find where the monarch eggs are. And sometimes you can find the monarch caterpillars on them. But they'll eat them. They get these really beautiful, like, purplish flowers a little bit later in the summer.
I like that.
Sometimes you can glance out to the field of milkweed and see some.
Oh, they're so tall.
They're so tall.
They're like totally.
But then these right here, these are the pods. These are where the seeds are. Right now they're really green, so the seeds inside won't fly. But in the fall, they'll break open, and then you get these little, like, cottony fibers flying away with the seeds, and that's how they spread their seeds.
They're so tall.
It's because the prairie plant, and prairie plants are tall. You know how their roots are also super
They're
long.
even taller.
Yeah. Even, probably sometimes, some of them will be double the size of the plant. Whoa. Whoa. Look at the babies. But you know these aren't baby flowers? This is how big they get. This is a flower called coltsfoot. And you can tell that it's coltsfoot because they look like little daisies. And this one is nearing the end of its growing cycle because if you shake it,
Oh, confetti.
confetti.
Plant confetti.
Now I'm covered in plant confetti.
Flower. Ducky, what's this angry flower?
This angry flower is a thistle. Well, stop poking it. So it has all these little sharp pointy things on it to help protect it from animals that may try to eat it.
Angry.
A little bit.
Protection, but angry.
Mm-hmm.
Ducky, what's this white flower calling up the purple flowers?
So remember, the purple one is bergamot, and this one is a morning glory. And so they grow up. They're more of a viney plant, and so they cling on to stuff to help them get up higher to see the sun. And then they open up for the morning sun.
So what is this like almost a Lilium height?
So this one is a goldenrod. And you can see all these little things right here are where the flowers are about to open up. And so when they open up, there'll be these really pretty little yellow flowers. Hence the name goldenrod.
Are those more?
Those are more goldenrod, yep.
Those are more than a Lilium tall.
Yes, they are. But that's okay.
It's okay.
You didn't grow up in the prairie.
Nope.
So these beautiful purple flowers, these are called a bellflower. Yeah, and you can tell because it has 5 petals with a little circle of white in the middle. And then the stamens are really long. The stamen and pistils are really long. Yeah. Another nice and tall plant for you.
Almost a Lilium.
Almost a lilium.
Pretty. This is like a Lilium and a half. What is
This is joe pie weed. So you can tell it's joe pie weed because of the little clusters of flowers, but also because of its height. It is one of the taller prairie plants. It is a snow-sized prairie plant.
it? It's so tall.
It is. Shall we?
Yes, we shall. Ducky, look what I found!
What did you find, Lilium?
My people!
You did? Yeah, those are lilies. Or liliums.
My people.
Your people.
I like them.
They are pretty. And there's more, yeah. I'll leave you to be. All right, well, friends, thanks for joining us for another episode of Ducky Time. Lilium, thanks for checking out some prairie flowers with me.
Thanks for having me, Ducky.
No problem. Well, Wheelie's gonna be around. All right, bye, guys. Bye, Lilium.
Bye.